I'm here in Country Club Estates in Berwick, Louisiana. Got to be kind of careful. It's a fairly small limb. Show you guys what an exposed hive looks like. So it's not a swarm. I'm gonna try to cut it down. It's gonna be difficult to get this down. So it's not a swarm, it's an actual hive. So might better save it. I don't know. I don't know if I can cut it and hang on to it without it dropping on the ground. So we'll give it a try. So I did manage to get it down without dropping it. So I think we're just gonna let them walk their way in. They're gonna go to into the box. They don't like being exposed like that. They're already fanning and getting ready, so we'll give them a little bit of time. Just let them do their thing. So exposed hives is actually bad genetics. It's really not what you're looking for. It's you know, it's not something you want to replicate. But we always try to save the bees. This hive hadn't been there that long, so I like them. They're always pretty cool to see. So this is how I evacuate the bees. Just blow on them. Blow on them. Little trick I learned, School of Hard Knocks. We'll add this one to the collection. This is a exposed hive I removed from a tree up there about 10-15 feet up. Exposed hives are crazy, beautiful. They build in all kind of crazy ways to try to attach it to the tree. So it don't get no purer or raw than this. Ça c'est bon. Hey guys, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Stinger Exterminating, for future videos.